Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Gesto. And for today's Tastes Review for episode 74, mga must-try drinks and foods by PrendLi Milktea, Snack House, and Odakee. PrendLi Milktea Snack House. PM is the key to happiness. Only use quality ingredients with distinctive Jasmine Tea. Price ranges from 45 to 75 pesos only. In partnership with Odakee, now serving shawarma, nachos, and shawarma rice. They're located at Purok 1, Poblacion, CNR Hedriana, and Sumakwel Street, Pavia, Iloilo City. Opens every day 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. They're also available via Food Panda app, and for full list of menus and delivery options, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by PrendLi Milktea Snack House and Odakee. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nose! Save your drinks by PrendLi Milktea Snack House and also foods by Odakee. But before anything else, please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. And comment down below kung ano mga foods or drinks gusto try for PrendLi Milktea and Odakee. Share this video to one of your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, huwag nyo pong i-skip. So ayan mga nose, i-taste ko naman yung other drinks for PrendLi Milktea Snack House. And also, ito first time ko i-try yung different foods by Odakee. And also sa mga kanos natin na hindi pa napanood yung first episode ko for PrendLi Milktea Snack House, I'll provide your link, description down below or dito. So lahat po dito, these are all regular size in each of their categories. So unahin muna natin yung drinks. For first product, under Chiller Bar, these are Choco Loco for regular size, 65 pesos. Very rich yung chocolate taste, very similar siya for Ovaltine or Milo taste. It has a good texture, consistency for its frap base. Tapos yung whipped cream dito sa taas, properly portioned for its sweetness and also for its texture. For next product, under Chiller Bar, these are Cheesy Mango for regular size, 65 pesos. Nandun yung cheesy feel or taste and also for its sweetness for mango. Tama yung balance niya and perfect partner for this product. For next product, under Premium Series, these are Tarolicious for regular size, 55 pesos. For their pearls, very soft, very easy to eat, and also for its taro flavor and sweetness, on point siya, tapos well-balanced siya for this drink. For next product under Premium Series, these are Strawberry Good for regular size, 55 pesos. When it comes to strawberry flavor, ito very creamy siya, tapos hindi siya ni-expect ko na sobrang tamis. Ito, tama yung balance niya, especially for its chocolate balling and also for its strawberry flavor. At the same time, yung pearls, very soft, very easy to eat, and also strawberry good. For next product, under Premium Series, or Matcha Wrap, for regular size, 55 pesos. Yung thickness and also for its downfeel, for matcha, on point siya. Tapos perfect siya sa panlasa ko. It's Matcha Wrap talaga. For next product, under Premium Series, these are Nutty Choco, for regular size, 60 pesos. Very similar siya for hazelnut choco. When it comes to nutty flavor and also for its choco, on point siya, very rich yung flavor. For next product, under Premium Series, your Honeydew for regular size, 55 pesos. Nandun yung freshness for honeydew flavor and also for its essence. And also this a very refreshing drink for next product under classic category. This is Hokkaido for regular size, 45 pesos. Ang sarap na drink na to, on point yung Hokkaido tea essence, and also very similar for roasted almond flavor. Okay, let's proceed for Odakee Foods. For first product, this is Odakee Shawarma Rice for 65 pesos. So appearance wise pa lang, very eye-appealing siya. Tapos, naamoy ko na yung aroma niya for its meats, cheese, and also for its sauces. Very present yung spices, and also perfect combination siya, most especially for their sauces, savory meats, veggies, and also for its java rice. For next product, these are Sofrita's fries for 65 pesos. Very crispy yung fries, and also for its meat flakes, very crunchy, perfect match for its sauces, veggies, and overall presentation. For next product, these are Nachos for 65 pesos. Ito, same din yung quality when it comes to the sauces, meats, and also for its overall presentation and flavors for Odakee. Very crispy yung nachos, na-amaze talaga ako dito. Last but not the least product, these are Tarolicious for 65 pesos. And very smooth yung shawarma wrap, also for its meat, sauces, and veggies. Naging consistent sila for their flavor, appearance, and overall quality. Okay, for rating manos, for PrendLi Milktea Snack House, for all of their drinks, in each of their categories, I'll give it a perfect 10. For Odakee, for all of their products, I'll give it a perfect 10. Yung drinks na pwede ko suggest, for kids and chocolate lovers, I would suggest si Strawberry Good, Choco Loco, and also si Nutty Choco. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for on the go and tea essence, I would suggest si Matcha Wrap and also for Hokkaido. And when it comes sa eye-appealing or sweet products, I would suggest si Honeydew, Tarolicious, and also for cheesy mango. When it comes to the drinks, ito, mas nag-improve yung lasa nila for its consistency, for their pearls, softness, and also for its distinctive flavors. And when it comes sa Odakee, ito, worth it ka na for its quality, for its quantity, and busog sarap ka na for this amazing product. So, PrendLi Milktea uses Jasmine Tea. Ito, narasahan ko talaga yung distinctive tea essence sila for each of their products. So, PrendLi Milktea Snack House and Odakee has good quality of products, very accommodating baristas, chefs, and owners, budget-friendly, and the certified Drinking Nose standards approved. Once again, thank you so much and congratulations to PrendLi Milktea Snack House and Odakee. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!